Breaking the wall of plastic pollution. Maltiti Mohammed, Falling Walls Lab, Ghana.
In the year 1907, one of the greatest inventions to man was made, plastic, a synthetic material that can take up to 500 to 1,000 years to decompose. And this material has contributed heavily to civilization, offering an affordable, durable, and multifunctional alternative to doing things, ranging from packaging down to technological advancements. But throughout its existence, there's always been one question regarding this material. What happens when we don't need them anymore? Well, fast forward, plastic has moved from a great invention to an ecological nuisance. This image you see over here wasn't taken from a landfill. It was taken from a drainage system in the capital town of Ghana, Accra, which is the biggest pollution in Ghana. But this isn't just limited to Ghana. It's very much a global problem. According to the United Nations, 400 million tons of plastic is produced annually, and 85% of this ends up as waste in our environment. How can this be mitigated? My solution to this problem first started with gathering plastic waste made of polyethylene terephthalate, which are the most common single-use plastics in our environment. These plastics are passed through an extrusion process whereby they are formed into filaments and used in the production of polyester fabrics for clothing. And yes, and then this is possible because both these plastics and then polyester are all made of the same material, PET. And we succeeded in finding a way of creating quality and affordable clothing at the expense of the plastic waste in our environment. But did we really achieve sustainability? Absolutely not. And now our attempt in breaking the wall of plastic pollution, we're just building an invisible wall next to it. You see, in 2019, the United Nations classified the textile industry as the second most polluting industry in the world. And one of the main reasons was, you see, synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon, when exposed to friction, for example, in a washing machine, they tend to shed these microplastic fibers, which eventually wind up into water bodies and pollute them. And most countries have taken initiatives against this by ensuring that all washing machines have special filters to trap these fibers. But it's just not enough, because every year, 500,000 tons of microplastics enter the marine environment, and it's harmful to aquatic life, and it's capable of causing cancer to human beings when ingested. So if you had fish for breakfast this morning, I have bad news for you. However, after months of research, I was able to come up with a special protective layer of polydimethylsiloxane, an environmentally friendly polymer renowned for its biocompatibility and elasticity. This layer gives the fabrics up to 95% protection from microplastic shedding, and it does this by reducing the effects of water-induced friction. And with the help of already existing primers, this layer is able to stick to the fabrics for long, long periods without compromising its quality and comfortability. So just imagine, with this tiny invisible layer, we can prevent 500,000 tons of microplastics from entering the marine environment just from our clothing. Thank you.